Kindly please inform me that if any new member is there, means I'll repeat it once limits, and after that I'll start the exercise. Okay. Okay. No problem. Now first I'll write some questions. Okay. While I'm explaining the question itself.
Yes.
I'll revise the concepts. Okay, see. So nothing else, Baba. We are doing limits. On that day, I said, what is the limit and all. So when you are calculating limit x tends to, so limit can be written as LIM or LT. Anything is fine. LIM or LT. Limit x tends to, limit x tends to 2, x plus 2 by x plus 4 is there, means it is nothing but put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. If I put x is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 by 2 plus 4, 4 by 6, that is equal to 2 by 3. If limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by x square minus 4. While you are doing this problem, again put x equal to 2. Whenever you are keeping x equal to 2, it's 2 minus 2 by 4 minus 4, means 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is nothing but indeterminate form. We will not accept 0 by 0. That means this is not the answer for the limits. Still, there is something is there to calculate the limit. How? So limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by x square minus 4. It can be written as a x minus 2 into x plus 2. Yes, it can be written as a x minus 2 into x plus 2. There x minus 2 getting cancelled. Now put x is equal to 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 by 4. Limit x tends to 2, 1 by 4. So whenever you are getting 0 by 0, whenever you are getting 0 by 0 while calculating the limits, there are 3 mantras. First mantra is factorization. Second mantra is rationalization. Third one is using some standard formula. Fourth one is L'Hospital rule. And the fifth one is 1 power infinity form. Remember, whatever the book you'll open on the limits, these things. So whenever I'm giving the limits, say from my pocket, I give one limit. I'm asking you to calculate. If you got the answer directly, enough. It's enough. But sometimes you'll get 0 by 0. At that time, you should understand. 0 by 0 means my master will scold. Why? Because 0 by 0 is an indeterminate form. 0 power 0 is an indeterminate form. So how can we solve that type of limits? That type of limits can be done using either factorization or rationalization, or using some standard formula, or L'Hospital rule, or 1 power infinity. Okay. So almost we'll do these three. But I'm requesting you, my dear students, before doing these all, first you should understand limit exist or not. Every function limit may not exist. You remember on that day we did. If there is a point A here, and this side numbers are called A minus, this side numbers are A plus. Limit exist. Means what, na? limit extends to a minus f of x is equal to limit extends to a plus f of x. Limit exists means left hand side limit should be equal to the right hand side limit. Then only we'll say that the limit exists. So the first one we have to say limit exist or not. This is only for special functions, mod x, step x, these all etc. And what is step x? Everything. So we'll discuss in the curriculum. And the next thing, calculating the limits. Whenever you are calculating the limit, you should be with this. I'm writing you again, see, since one girl is new to the class. So last class I started limits. Let f of x be a real function. Let f of x be a real function and a belongs to R. We can say limit of f of x exist at x is equal to a if limit extends to a minus f of x is equal to limit extends to a plus f of x. That is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. If the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then we'll say that the limit exists. Okay. The very important point is exist here. Now, how to calculate the limit? To find limit of a function. It's better we'll write it in the next page. To find a limit of a function. First one is direct substitution. Whatever the value you'll get, you have to substitute it. If you got any answer, no problem. If 0 by 0, that is called indeterminate form. If it is an indeterminate form, it's a direct substitution. Okay, if it is got the answer, okay, finished. If 0 by 0 gets, then number 2, factorization. Number 3, rationalization. Number 4, using some standard formula. Number 5, L'Hospital rule. Number 6, 1 power infinity form. Now, what this board indicates, whenever you got 0, whenever you are calculating the limit, if you got 0 by, sorry, if you got any answer, 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity, anything, that's answer. If sometimes if you got 0 by 0, indeterminate form, if sometimes you will get 0 by 0, then you should think, yo, 0 by 0, we will not allow. Master will school. There you should understand. There you should understand 0 by 0 is not allowed. So we can do, those can be using factorization method, rationalization method. What happened? Please wait. Hope I can move this. Yeah, you got. So we can do like that. Please copy this to find limit of a function. Please copy this.
Sir, last one is
1 power infinity form. One power infinity.
done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do the problems. What type of, please remember, don't mug up. Enjoy the things. Enjoy the things. Now the question number 1. Question number 1. Yeah. The question number 1. Limit x tends to 3, x square plus 4 by x minus 2. Second one, limit x tends to 3, x square plus 9 by x minus 3. Limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 by root x minus root 3. Similar type of questions. This board I'll teach, and the next board you have to do. Be ready for that. This board I'll teach, next board you have to do. The question is like, first substitute it. When you'll go for the formulas, when 0 by 0 comes, then only we'll go. First substitute it. Whenever you are substituting, 3 square plus 4 by 3 minus 2. 9 plus 4 by 1, 13 by 1, that is equal to 13. Here, कुछ problem नहीं है. There is no problem. So, चलता. Now, here. Whenever you are putting x equal to 3, it's a 9 minus 9 by 3 minus 3. It will become 0 by 0. So whenever you have become 0 by 0, keep it in a cloud. Why? Because we will not entertain this. Now we'll start doing like that is equal to limit x tends to 3. Now think once. Here the word factorization is exact. It can be written as a x square minus 3 square by x minus 3. That is limit x tends to 3. X minus 3 into x plus 3 by x minus 3. They are getting answer. Now when I put x equal to 3, it will become 6. In the same way. Next one. Limit x tends to 3 it is. Limit x tends to 3. When I am doing that, put x equal to 3. If I put x equal to 3, 3 minus 3 by root 3 minus root 3. That is 0 by 0 again. Again it is indeterminate form. So what we can do it? Factorization, rationalizing factor. That is x minus 3 by root x minus root 3. Here multiply with root x plus root 3 by root x plus root 3. I think you studied in the lower sections. Rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor. Then it will become limit x tends to 3. X minus 3 into root x plus root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. That is root x whole square minus root 3 whole square. Limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 into root x plus root 3 by x minus 3. There x minus 3 is getting cancelled. Now put x equal to 3. It it become root 3 plus root 3, that is equal to 2 root 3. Please try to understand, try to enjoy. I gave it 3 problems on the screen. One is direct substitution, you will get the answer. Second one, kya na? It's not a direct substitution. Second one, if you substitute, you are getting 0 by 0. If you substitute, you will get 0 by 0. So we have to do factorization. I did the factorization, I got the answer. And the third one, here also I got 0 by 0. But unfortunately, the thing is, not factorization, it's a rationalization. Okay, please copy it.
Done, sir.
Yes, please. Any doubt you have?
No, sir.
Yeah, please copy. Very good. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, the next one. Now I'll write the questions. You try to solve it. Okay. I'll write the question. Please try to solve it. Question number 1. Limit x tends to 4. So this is what na LT. LT. This is, or you can write it as a LIM. Okay. LT or LIM, your wish. If you want, I'll write LIM. LIM. X tends to 4. 4x plus 3 by x minus 2. Question 1. Question 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Limit x tends to 3x square minus x minus 10 by x square minus 4.
The first one is 19 by 2.
Very good, Nana. Very good. The next one, limit x tends to 3, x square.
Yes, sir. First one 19 by 4, sir.
X square minus 9 by root x. Now do it. I'll go 10 minutes, try to do it.
Sir, second one is 11 by 4.
Okay. Okay. Shall I do? Don't sit like that. Try to do it, please.
Sir, third one is 12 root 3.
Okay. 12 root 3. I'm doing C. Now question number 1. Only 2 to 3 members repeatedly doing. Remind me they are not doing. I'm requesting everyone, please do it. The first one, limit extends to 4. Na? Directly substitute the 4. 4 into 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 2. 16, 17, 18, 19 by 4 minus 2. Very good, they said. The next one, limit extends to 2. Just first put x equal to 2. 3 into 4 minus 3 minus 10 by minus 2. Minus 2 minus 10 by 4 minus 4. That is 12 minus 12 by 4 minus 4. That is 0 by 0. Oh, 0 by 0 means we should not allow. Now we should think how we can do it. Limit extends to 2. Factorize the numerator. I know that it is 3x. Can anyone say?
6 minus 5.
No. 3x minus how much?
6.
Like this only you say.
Sir, 3x plus 5, sir.
Sir,
3x.
3x plus 5.
3x plus 5 into x minus 2.
X minus 2.
Yes, sir.
By factorization. X minus 2 into. Ayyo, suddenly I move out, I think. I'm audible now? Check.
Yes, sir.
Avinash, what are the questions? My screen, I lost my screen. Avinash, can you say the second
sir.
question, Avinash?
Sir.
Sir, your x value is 2.
Limit extends to 2.
Question is 3x square
3x square
minus x
minus x
minus 10.
minus 10 by x minus 2. No, x
Sir, x
square minus 4.
minus
Square minus 4.
Very good. Nat. Thank you. Because of the network issue, I came out of the class. Now, as you said, limit extends to 2. 3x plus 5 into x minus 2 by and a square minus b square. It is x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now these two are getting cancelled. Now it will become x plus 2, substitute 2. 2 3 is 6 plus 5, 11. 11 4. You got the same thing? You got the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next one. Limit extends to 2.
Sir, 3.
Question none.
X square minus 9 by root x minus root 3.
Very good. Thank you very much. So now the question is, first we have to put x is equal to 3. Directly you should not do rationalization or factorization. First you have to do the substitution. 9 minus 9 by root 3 minus root 3. 0 by 0, it's an indeterminate form. Now you have to, that is limit x tends to 3. It can be written as a x minus 3 into x plus 3 by root x minus root 3 is there. Now root x plus rationalization. Now it will become limit x tends to 3. X minus 3 into x plus 3 into root x plus root 3 by, it is a minus b into a plus b. Na? A minus b into a plus b, its formula is a square minus b square. Okay. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square is x minus 3. Now x minus 3 is getting cancelled. Now the remaining is put x equal to 3. If I put x equal to 3, 3 plus 3, it is a 6. If I put x equal to 3, root 3 and root 3, that is 12 root 3. Copy it, please. Please copy it.
Sir, please explain the second one.
Yeah, sure. Nothing else. First 0 by 0 you got. After getting 0 by 0, that 3x square minus x minus 10. It can be written as a minus 6x 5 minus 10. Minus 6 can be written as a minus 6x plus 5. Now among these three, what I can take common? 3x. So if one x I took common, remaining is x minus is 6. If I take 5 common, 6 or 2 now. If I take common x minus 2. Now among these two, take x minus 2 common. 3x plus 5. That means this numerator part can be written as a x minus 2 into 3x plus 5 by, this is a square minus b square. It can be written as a x minus 2 into x plus 2. These are getting cancelled. Now remaining thing you have to do. Put x equal to 2, what you are getting? 6 plus 5, 11 by 4. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please let me know after you complete the thing. Now the next questions. Question number 1. Limit x tends to 5. X square minus x square minus 25 by x plus 5. Limit x tends to 5. X square minus 5x plus 6 by x tends to once. Please wait. Please wait. X square minus 5x plus 2 by x square minus 3x plus 2. Limit x tends to 2. X square minus 7x plus 10 by root x minus x plus 2. X minus 2 will write it. Root x minus root 2. Yes, that's a question. Please do it.
Sir, second is x value.
Mhm.
Sir, what is the value of x in second question?
2, 2, 2.
सर फास्ट में तो 0 आ रहा है.
Sir, the first question is coming 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 0 can
The
come.
second
ना.
question also 0.
आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना 0 by 0 तो प्रॉब्लम है. 0 आएगा तो ये तो आंसर है. अलाउड हुआ तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है 0 में.
The second भी 0 आ रहा है.
सेकंड तो 0 आ रहा है. नो, एक बार चेक करो बाबा.
Sir, second one is minus 1 by 1.
The second question answer is 0.
नो बाबा, एक बार चेक करो. 0 I don't think so.
0 by 0.
So
हाँ,
mine
हाँ.
is coming minus 1 by 1.
Yeah, correct. 0 तो आंसर नहीं है बाबा. 0 is not the answer. I'm requesting, please check it again.
So third one is minus 6 root 2.
6 root 2.
Minus 6 root 2.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Third one is minus 6 into 2.
Okay. Now I'll do it. I will do it. First question. Question number 1. So this can be written as a limit x tends to 5. Put x is equal to 5 directly. If I put x is equal to 5, 25 minus 25 by 5 plus 5. 25 minus 25 0 आ रहा है. 0 तो कुछ problem नहीं है बाबा. So 0 is the answer. And when you are writing the second one, put x equal to 2. 4, 10 plus 6 by 4 minus 6 plus 2. That is 10 minus 10 by 6 minus 6. So 0 by 0 आ रहा है. 0 by 0 means it's indeterminate form. Again problem comes. So keep it in the cloud. Now start it. That is equal to limit x tends to 2. इसका factorization क्या आया ना? x minus 2 into x minus 3 आया. And denominator का factorization क्या ना? x minus 2 into x minus 1 है. इसमें x minus 2, x minus 2 getting cancelled. Now put x equal to 2. So 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. लेकिन इसका वैल्यू -1 by 1 आया तो -1 आंसर है. अगर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है ना, लिमिट x tends to 2. First put x equal to 2. When I keep x equal to 2, 4 minus 14 plus 10 by root 2 minus root 2. That is 14 minus 14 by root 2 minus root 2. 0 by 0. Again problem आ रही है. So it can be solved as limit x tends to 2. It is x minus 2 into x minus 5. इसका factorization है by root x minus root 2. ये प्रॉब्लम क्या ना, ये प्रॉब्लम में फैक्टराइजेशन एंड रेशनलाइजेशन दोनों, यू शुड यूज बोथ द थिंग्स. फैक्टराइजेशन न्यूमरेटर में चलता है, rationalization denominator. Root 2 minus root this here we have to multiply with root 2. In the next board I'll write. That is limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into x minus 5 by root x minus root 2. Here multiply with root x plus root 2 into root x plus root 2. So limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into x minus 5 into root x plus root 2 by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Sir, only one thing remember. Here 0 by 0 coming means x minus 2 should be there, then only it will become 0. That x minus 2 is devil, it's getting cancelled. Now put x equal to 2. 2 minus 5 root 2 plus root 2. 2 minus 5 मतलब इसका वैल्यू -3 है, 2 root 2, that is -6 root 2. Copy it please. Yeah. Please copy it.
Done, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, completed.
Others, please respond. Others, please respond.
Completed, sir.
Okay, very good.
Done, sir.
Hmm. Completed. Shall I go to the next three questions? The next questions are so what's the formula of a cube minus b cube? Anyone know that?
Sir,
A cube minus b cube.
a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square.
Write the formula, everyone. Very good. A square plus ab plus b cube. Everyone, please note that formula. Everyone, please note that formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b cube. A square plus ab plus b cube. Now three questions on the screen. First question. Limit x tends to 6. Second question. Limit x tends to 3. Limit x tends to 3. Just give it time. X cube x cube minus 6x square eleven x minus 6 by 11 by x square minus 8x plus 15. The third one, limit x tends to 2. Limit x tends to 2. X square 10x plus 16 by x power 1 by 3 minus 2 power 1 by 3. Start doing the questions.
Sir, first answer is 33.
Check it.
Again, can you say the formula of AQ minus BQ?
A cube minus b cube.
Yes.
A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square.
So it will be B square.
Ah, b square. Completed. Shall I teach? Shall I teach this?
Yes, sir.
Try it. Wait till the next class. So in the next class, I'll teach these all. Very good question. See, from last 4 pages, we are doing same type of questions. First one is direct substitution. Second one is factorization. Third one is rationalization. Now, by page to page, we increased our depth, the toughness of the problem. Like when it comes at the end, see, these are the very good questions. First one is direct substitution. I'm giving a hint. I'm giving the hint. The first one is direct substitution. Second one is factorization, and third one is rationalization. Check it, check it, check it, check it. Right. Just copy the questions neatly.
The third question is
Third question, factorization. I'll give the hints if you want. Multiply a minus b, a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Na?
Yes,
A
sir.
cube minus b cube. Now, a as a x power 1 by 3, b as a 2 power 1 by 3. Means x power 1 by 3 minus 2 power 1 by 3. This is whole cube. This is whole cube. So we should multiply with x power 2 by 3 plus x power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3. We have to multiply with this factor. X power 2 by 3 plus x power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. Here and here. then it will become x minus 2. The entire thing become x minus 2. After that, you can do it. After that, you can do it. So that's a class for today. And then the next class we'll meet again. Please note those 3 points, those 3 questions. And the next class, first we'll do those 3 questions. After that, we'll go to the next questions. Thank you very much.